Hey guys, someone in the comments told me to create new accounts each time, so I decided I would be giving the account away each video, so the first one to watch the video gets a free account. So good luck to the first person to view this. The account would be yours, just make sure to change the password so no one else accesses it and steals it.
That was a word, Kevin. I think I caught you naked. There are 9 more bands that this hell's packing.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I would be showing you the epic rework of sound breathing. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. And I found this guy to help me, and I'm really grateful to him, so if you see this, type W-1D3 Ray in the comments. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll see you guys later when I'm level 50. As you all can see, I'm now level 50 plus. Now it is finally time for me to complete the final selection. So wish me luck. I'll see you again when I have completed the final selection. Hey guys, what is this bug? I can't use any of the buttons. I don't know what going on far. As you all can see, final selection is bugged, so I'm just going to upload the video anyways. It has been a whole month and the devs still haven't fixed it.